Learn how to make tomato sauce from canned crushed tomatoes. Hey, it's Jenna here from Sip Bite Go, and today I'm going to share with you how easy it is to make canned tomatoes into a super easy tomato sauce. So this recipe is super simple because you just throw a bunch of ingredients into a pot and go from there. So you use a can of crushed San Marzano tomatoes, garlic, diced yellow onion, olive oil, dried oregano, dried parsley, some red pepper flakes. You can add a lot of them if you like it spicy, and a bay leaf. You don't have to use the bay leaf, but I think it brings a lot of flavor to this dish. After that's done simmering for about a half hour, you can add some salt and pepper and some fresh basil. Make this in large batches to use when you need it on pizza, pasta, and any sort of Italian dish. Check out Sip Bite Go for more recipes. Cheers!